Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I'll be showing you how to sow Chinese kale. Chinese kale can be grown throughout the winter and is a great crop to add to your raised beds. To sow Chinese kale you will need some peat-free compost and a tray just like this one, or you can use pots. To sow Chinese kale, fill your seed tray with the peat-free compost. Then tap down the tray and fill with even more compost. This will make sure that the tray is full. Smooth over with your hand, and then I'm taking a pen and making holes in each of the cells. I'm just making one hole in each and just sowing one seed, but you can make 2 holes in each and sow 2 seeds. Get your seeds and then place 1 seed in each cell. I'm sowing the seeds around 1 centimetre deep. After you've sown all the seeds, I'm covering over each of the cells with my pen or your hand. Don't forget to add a label, as the seedlings will look like lots of other veg when they germinate. Then I'm filling a tray with water. This will allow the water to soak up through the seed tray, reducing the risks of diseases such as root rot. Keep this tray filled until they germinate.